Hi my loves. So today I'm going to show you how I wash my 4C hair. Okay, and what you see right now is this is after the process. I technically already washed it and blow dried it. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little link check so you can see that my hair is mid back. But yes, so I'm going to show you what I actually do and how I achieve this blown out look that you see right here. If you are interested in seeing how I can deep condition my hair and how I take care of my hair, then you just keep on watching. I've listed the ingredients for you, and I would probably say the only thing that you need to add to the list is a knife to cut the avocado, and everything else is basically based off of your preference. This is a D.I.Y deep conditioner, so it's all about whatever kind of conditioning you like. The avocado has a lot of oils in it, which is very good for your hair. And so that's basically the main ingredient that we're going to use in this deep conditioner. Okay, so I have one avocado, one very ripe avocado here. I also have a package of the Shea Moisture deep conditioning treatments. I have a concoction of my own oil, which also has avocado oil in it. It has olive oil, there is black castor oil, and I think I put a few other things in there. I'll show you guys another video about what I put actually in that oil bottle. So as you can see now, I'm just adding everything to the blender. I've added a little bit of water. I've added my avocado, all of the avocado. I added my Shea Moisture deep conditioning treatment, and you can get any deep conditioning treatment that you want. You know, us melanated girls, you know how it is. You can go right down to the hair store. You can go to Sally's Beauty. You can go to Walmart, and they have a whole selection of different, like, you know, deep conditioning treatments and stuff that you can buy. So just pick one, whatever, you know, you feel like your hair needs at the moment. Take that, add it to the blender. Okay, so after we finish add this avocado, we are going to add our oil. And I was struggling with the avocado. I don't know why, but it was late night. I wasn't thinking right. My brain was kind of fried. So as you can see, I started working smarter instead of harder. And just peel the avocado. Just peel the skin off, because, I mean, it literally comes right off with your fingers. I don't know why I was wasting time with the knife the way I was, but it be like that sometimes. So we're going to add the oil. Add as much oil as you like, okay? I was trying to leave a little bit of oil left in the bottle that I could use after the process, because I do put the oil in as part of the lock method after my hair is washed. Now, this is my rinse out conditioner. This is my favorite, Ren Pure. Find it at Walmart, find it at Target. I love this brand. This is probably the only rinse out brand that I use, because it's very affordable. It stretches for my hair and all my children's hair. But, you know, obviously use whatever rinse out conditioner that you have a preference for, that you love. And yeah, it's all about what your hair needs, and what my hair likes is different from what your hair likes. So use what you know that your hair likes. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's not a whole lot, right? And believe it or not, this is going to be enough for my hair and for all of my children's hair as well. So we're going to just blend it all up. Isn't that so pretty? Like, it just looks like some kind of yogurt souffle, and I just want to stick a spoon in there and eat it. I don't know, maybe because I'm pregnant, y'all. I'm just extra as hell right now. But anyways, this is what it looks like, all nice and fluffy and yummy looking. It looks like whipped cream to me. As you can see, it's still very thick in consistency. Alright, so I have my hair already braided down. This section is braided in. It's not braided in any kind of uniform kind of thing or whatever. It's just braided down to be braided down. As you can see, my hair is it's like on the thin side. I don't have very thick hair. So that's another thing that kind of makes the process easy for me too. So that I don't have a whole bunch of hair to deal with. It got a little bit of length, but it ain't got no thickness. But that's okay. It's mine, and I love it anyways. So as you can see, I'm working this conditioner in my hair. I have already given my hair a very light wash with the shampoo. I don't always use shampoo, but I have done I did do a little light shampoo in my hair. I rinsed that out. I added this to it while I was still in the shower. As you can see, it's starting to look a little foggy. That's because that water is hot, baby. I do not take cold showers. So I got that heat that's penetrating my hair shafts while I have it on there. And as you can see, it's fully coated. And I have not used very much of the conditioner at all. I'm going to put a shower cap on it so that it can continue to steam in the shower until I'm done. So, like I said, I didn't use that much. I still have plenty left. That's enough for my 3 boys' hair. So now we setting the ambiance, baby, and we're going to sit up underneath the dryer for 15 or 20 minutes. And then once it's done, we're going to rinse our hair in cold water. Now, I do not use tap water when I rinse my hair, okay? I am an avid bottled water girl. I actually have 0 water too in my kitchen. But yeah, for my hair, for my face, even for my kids' hair, my final rinse is always in cold bottled water. And y'all forgive me, I was struggling. If y'all have somebody to help you, please get them to come help you, because it's a struggle trying to rinse your own hair with bottled water, okay? So don't struggle like me, get some help. It was probably 2 o'clock in the morning. I ain't had no help because everybody was asleep. So, you know, a real girl gonna figure it out. And so this is what I had to do. After we have gone through the whole struggle of rinsing all the conditioner out of our hair, now we are going to work 1/2 of the head at a time. So right now I'm going to take all my braids out of the right side of my head, and I am going to use the lock method. So I'm going to use the rest of the oil that I had left over, and I am applying in some leave-in conditioner. And after I have completely got all of those incorporated into the right side of my head, I'm going to rebraid the side down and work on the left side, do the same exact thing, and then I'm going to sit underneath the dryer after I braid it back down, sit underneath the dryer to let it dry thoroughly before I go to bed, okay? So some tips for when you're taking your 4C hair out of the braids after it's been washed and conditioned is that sometimes it might be a little bit knotted on the ends. Don't be scared to use a nice little fine tooth comb to kind of clear the ends out. Also, what I do sometimes is this is the time where I might give my hair a little trim. So when I go to re-braid it back down, like I will just sometimes cut like maybe a 1/2 inch off the tip of my hair, and that way I'm kind of giving it a little trim at the same time, and I'm not cutting off too much. But it does take care of like the one strand knots or like the tangles that you might get at the very end of your hair if you kind of trim it a little bit every time you condition it. So this is a leave-in conditioner that I love. It's Carol's Daughter. It's the Goddess Strength leave-in conditioner. I love the way it works, and I love the way it smells. So yes, so as you can see, this is what I'm doing. I'm just applying it to a section of the right side, and I'm getting ready to braid this section right back down. And I'm going to continue doing this to the rest of my head until it is all completed and it all has leave-in conditioner applied to it. All right, so I am actually going to use a hair tie to put all of it in a high ponytail. And this is only because I want to make sure that the tips get dry as well as the roots. And because, you know what I'm saying, your girl got fine hair, this process is actually very quick for me. Other of you girls who have thicker hair, it might be a little bit more of a process. But I'm listening to a little something from Audibles. Okay, baby, no sponsorship. I just like Audibles. And I'm going to listen to Audibles while I let my hair dry. And that's what we do. When I'm done, I'm going to blow it out. And there you have it. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching. And you guys have a good night. Bye.